Hello, how are you today, Ruby?
Oh, good, thank you. How are you, Cathie?
Good.
Oh, that's
We're
great.
back in the early years kitchen, and today we're going to make some hummus.
Oh, good.
Okay, so we're going to make some hummus. To make hummus, we need some chickpeas, the juice of half a lemon, and two tablespoons of tahini, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half to 1 clove of garlic chopped up nice and finely. So we've already chopped our garlic. Okay, so I'm going to start by draining the chickpeas. Do you want to juice the lemon there, Ruby?
Yeah, I'm going to make the juice for the half the lemon.
You want to keep the juice of your chickpeas because we're going to use that later. So just drain that out. Okay, Ruby?
Yeah, I'm okay. I did it. I did the half lemon juice.
Okay. All right. So pretty much we just throw all our ingredients into the processor. Which is yours in, Ruby?
Yeah, the lemon juice
Lemon juice
and the garlic and
2 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini you need to find in the health food aisle of the supermarket, but most supermarkets have it. It's got a really nice zesty taste to it. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil as well.
olive oil.
One,
2.
and we're just going to add a little bit of the leftover juice into the mixer just so it's not too dry and gluggy. Keep that aside just in case we need more. And do you want to give that a bit of a blitz, Ruby?
Yeah, I can do that. A little bit more.
Yeah, we might put a bit more juice in there, hey?
Juice.
Okay, give that a little blitz.
That looks
There
really
you go.
good. Done.
That's it. So we can scoop that into a bowl or a jar. Sometimes with the hummus, you can put it in a little jar and decorate it and give it as a gift to somebody.
Yeah.
And today we're going to serve it with some crackers, some carrot and cucumber, and some parmesan sticks. There you go.
Now all are ready, our hummus. I hope you are going to enjoy it.
Yes.
Thank you for
Okay.
watching our video.
Have a good afternoon. Bye.
Bye.